dear students, myself Rajmati Theng from Theng Science Classes, Buldhana. Welcome to the Curiosity Club. In this Curiosity Club, every Sunday I am showing you interesting science activities which you can easily perform at your home. So let's start with today's activity. Activity's name is Your Finger Stop the Flow of Water. So for this activity, I have taken bottle and I have made one hole at the top and 3-4 holes at the bottom. Now water is continuously flowing. Now observe, there is a magic in my finger. So is there magic in my finger? I am magician? No. Okay, so now I open my finger. Again water is continuously flowing. Again when I keep finger on the top of the bottle, water is not flowing. So this activity is of air activities, air pressure. When I open my finger, air is passed in the bottle and water is continuously flowing. When I keep my finger on the tip of bottle, air does not enter. Air is locked inside this bottle and water does not fall down. So dear students, perform this activity and enjoy the science behind this activity. Your finger stop the flow of water.